Hi guys, I'm Young and I have been using Sony ZV1 for about 1 week. So I think I can sort of compile my thoughts together, give you guys my opinion of what is good, what is not good about this Sony ZV1 supposedly perfect vlogging camera. So there are many things that I actually really like about this camera. First, the compactness. I mean, right now I'm using this setup and just look how big my Alpha 6400 is. So compared to my Alpha 6400, this is super duper tiny. It's so much more compact, lighter in the weight and so on. So especially for ladies, now I've switched over to ZV1. You guys might actually prefer the beauty mode in Sony ZV1. Right now I do have the skin tone to low because I do find mid and high tone a bit too much. Interestingly, the Sunny Beauty mode is not available on ZV1, whereas Alpha 6400 I can really see myself bright and clear in the monitor. And the overall design you can see is so much nicer with like the swivel design, and you have this fluffy muffy thingy. In fact, take it out, and I love using Rode Wireless Go and just stick it on here, and everything is looking super duper neat here. And also I think I do prefer warmer tone of ZV1 compared to my other camera, Alpha 6400. That's the only other camera that I have, so that's why I'm just only comparing to that particular camera. But I really think the warm tone of this ZV1 is beautiful. And another great thing about this camera is, you know, if you're a Sony fan, it is cheaper than the RX100 series and certainly much cheaper than, you know, all these interchangeable Alpha series. For me, you know, I ended up getting the body, lens, and 2 more lens. Ended up costing me almost like 2,000 USD compared to this kind of price. And my usage is quite limited. You get everything in this compact camera for $750. And you get all this marvelous, you know, Sony tracking technology, which is absolutely fantastic. And I also found that it was great, especially when taking videos. When you click on the object while you're shooting, it will actually track the object throughout your video clip, so your subject is always in focus. And ZV1 is packed with technology. C1 button for blur effect. So now you're getting natural blur. This is defocus mode. Clear. Super easy. C1 button and you get the background defocus. Just like having thicker zoom lens. And with C2 button you can product showcase. Super fast focus. Anything will do. Anything will do. So let's talk about things that I don't particularly like about this camera. The first thing is the price. Sony always like to put a price tag that's a bit more expensive than other cameras. And when you also compare with other technologies such as drone, where you can get Mavic Mini for half the price of this camera, you're starting to think, it's not that cheap. Especially if they want to target some other Sony fans who already have Alpha series camera and they want to go for some compact series, you know, spending another $750, it is quite a lot. However, having said that, if you're thinking about getting ZV1, the camera that I'm using right now, against some other camera that I think actually ZV1 is probably the camera that I will pick. I like something that's compact, it has really good camera quality, and if you see these photos of like strawberries, you can see the photo quality is far superior compared to my mobile phone, which is already really good. Another thing that I really wish Sony listens to the customers are to put that 4K 60 frames per second. I mean, for goodness sake, at the end of the day, even mobile phone has 4K 60 frames per second, Osmo Pocket has 4K 60 frames per second, GoPro has 4K 60 frames per second. So why not this so-called proper camera? It's quite hard for me to find the active steady shot. In the function button, you can go into the menu to switch on and off the steady shot. However, for me to choose between the standard steady shot and active standard shot, I need to actually go into that detail menu. And in Sony camera, it's always hard to navigate in that detail 100 pages, okay, not 100 pages, but menu with many pages. It's really quite hard to navigate. So I hope I gave you guys enough pointers for you to consider before getting ZV1. I mean, for me, if I did not have another camera, then ZV1 will certainly be on top of my camera list to actually get for my content creating workhorse. So I'll come back with some other reviews, so please don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and see you!